Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen Beoplay S3 wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your device, or if it's not pairing or syncing with the app or anything like that, or your other devices, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now also, if you just want to wipe everything off of it so you can set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box, this factory reset will do that for you, and it's very easy to do. So with the power to the speaker, all you need to do this reset is come in and find the B&O button, and you're also going to find the volume down or the minus button. And you're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, that will initiate a factory reset of this speaker, and at which point you can turn it back on and then set it up just like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box.